As the countdown intensifies towards the highly anticipated PNP leadership race between the incumbent Dr. Peter Phillips and the challenger Peter Bunting, there is a declaration this evening that the female leaders of the party are standing with Dr. Phillips. According to a statement from a staunch ally of Dr. Phillips and his One PNP campaign, the women in leadership positions in the party, parliamentary groups, constituencies, municipal corporations and affiliate organizations have thrown their full support behind the current president. It was further stated that 3 of the 4 female members of parliament have declared their support for Dr. Phillips. They joined the 2 female members of the Senate. Eyebrows were raised last week when Member of Parliament for St. Andrews South, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, threw her support behind Peter Bunting's Rise United camp. It was seen as a blow to the One PNP camp, and Dr. Brown-Burke's husband and former General Secretary of the party, Paul Burke, said the decision caught him off guard. The presidential runoff will take place on September 7.